Mention Files app. What do you think of first? An iPhone Files Management app? We searched Files app on Google and found that many users ask how to use this app or want to know more about this app. So in this video, we will show 8 tips to you. Please keep watching. And don't forget to like this video if you think it's useful. Tip 1. View your files efficiently. You just need to tap on the More icon on the top right corner. Next, check Icons or List. You also can choose to arrange your files by name, kind, date, size, or tags. Tip 2. Move files at once. Set up a new folder first. Next, drag and hold a file first. Tap on other files you want to move at the same time. Drag all of them into the new folder you've set up. Tip 3. Back to the specific folder. Sometimes, when you decompress a file and many folders are in it, you tap on them one by one to find the folder you wanna. You need to tap in several times to back to the first folder or another folder. Here is an easy way to find a folder quickly. You just need to press and hold the back icon on the top left corner. Then, you can select the folder you wanna. Tip 4. Check Photos info. First, select a photo in Photos app and click Share icon. Choose Save to Files. Next, go to Files app and find the photo. Press and hold on it and select Get Info. You can check a lot of information about this photo here, like resolution, device model, device make, lens model, etc. Tip 5. Scan documents. If you need to scan your files like identity card, passport, contract, etc., Files app is very convenient for you. You just need to tap on More icon on the top right corner and choose Scan Documents. Next, the camera will pop up. Take a photo of your file. You can choose the filter as you like and tap on Done to save. Tip 6. Sign name on files. If you have a contract that is PDF format, you just need to open it on Files app and tap on the pencil icon on the top right corner and sign your name on it. Attention please, don't forget to tap on Done to save it. Tip 7. Compress files. Compressing files is a good way in case of sending the wrong files. In Files app, you just need to select Files or Photos. Tap on the More icon at the bottom right and choose Compress. Next, a zip file will be generated automatically. Press and hold onto it. You can share it with your friend or family via messages, WhatsApp, email, etc. Tip 8. Check iCloud Drive storage. Go to Settings to tap on your Apple account and find iCloud. Tap on Manage Storage and choose iCloud Drive. Then, you can check the size of your files here and delete them. Thanks for watching this video. Your like and share are a great encouragement for us. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.